Hi, I'm back to share another swap that I made. It's for Paper Art Swaps on Facebook. It's a group of very nice crafters and we have a lot of fun doing monthly swaps. And this is what I created. And this is for the Summer Embellishment Swap. And we were to find one of these Dollar Tree drink holder things. It comes with a straw, and we were to fill them with summer embellishments. And I created some vinyl stickers to decorate my container, I guess, just to dress it up a bit. And then I made a bunch of things to go in it. And this is for my swap partner, Ofelia. And one of the first things I made was Fomarian flowers. You can take them out. I guess I wish I would have thought to take them out. I didn't, hence the crinkling. I'm sorry about that. Some really bad crinkling too. Okay, we have some little foam pieces on the back, and I don't remember what dye this is, but this is a bunch of Fomarian petals, and then I airbrushed the centers and put in some pearls and that. So I made those. Another thing I made was some bows. And this is the one of the Doodlebug summer collections, and I kind of combined them because they all look the same and the colors were similar, so there's some of each of those. And then I made some resin shells for centers and put some half-back pearls. And what else did I make? Oh, I made some more resin shells. The mold I used had 3 sizes. And so I stickled them up and put, another pearl in there. She can use them on projects and things. I made her a silicone bead pen. And a cute little sun charm. So I thought that was festive and fun. I made her some tickets. Here we go with the crinkling again. Well, at any rate, here, I guess I can get them out. I'm so sorry. Not one of my better videos. But, well, you can just see them through here. Some of them I stickled, some of them oh. All right, here we go. What's another bag? I made this one. We had the fish, and they have some glaze on them. And then I made this one that's got some gemmies. So, cut them apart and use them on different things, or she can use the whole strip. And what else is in here? Oh, okay. I made some shaker bits out of UV resin. And I made these little palm trees. I made them in 2 shades of green. Closer. It seems she can use those for, well, little embellishments on projects or in shaker mixes. And then the other one I made was some flamingos. I did them in a flamingo peach color and pink. And you can see them better from the top. So I made those. So I hope she likes that. And then I also made her a wand. It's kind of a big wand. I have a big rosette here, and I added some clay sprinkles and this pretty bow that matches with the paper collection, and a drink cup, a straw with a pom-pom. So I hope she likes that too. And then I made a the KS Craft beach bag, and I used some burlap paper, and on the sides I used some more of that collection. And that's just, the back is just plain. And then inside I made a UV resin bookmark, and I also made the resin seahorse. It's got some glitter and whatnot, so she can use that. And I made her a post-it note holder. Those are always fun and handy to have. And I have a pair of sunnies and some of the stickers. And then I also made her a hand sanitizer holder. And then inside here are these little Perel single-use hand sanitizer packets. And you just break them open, so that we can keep that in a purse or a bag or whatever. And I made her a sequin mix. And then in there you can see I have some of the palm trees and some of the no, they're hard to see, the flamingos. And what else in here? Oh, there's just a lip balm and a sucker. And then I also made this box. And then inside the box I have these cute little paper clips. And just using some of the stickers and puffy stickers from the collection. That seems to me. And that's about what I've got here. Oh, and also the front I decorated with some resin tropical blooms. I think they're plumeria. And I airbrushed the centers with the colors that coordinate with the paper. Added stickles and a gem. And then I put on this blingy palm tree charm. I made this wooden sun dangle. And then one of these little crystal clear balls. And then a beach word. And this here is faux leather behind it and some gold glitter paper. And I used the same for the handles. And some leaves. And that's my swap for Ofelia. I hope she likes it. I apologize for the crinkling, and I hope you like my video. I hope you come back and have a great day. Thank you.